In the heart of Rotorua, there's a place where broken tech finds new life. Welcome to Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles, your local high-tech heroes. Here, every device has a story, and every repair is a new chapter. Our state-of-the-art lab is equipped to handle any tech challenge. From smartphones to gaming consoles, we breathe new life into your devices. Our expert technicians are masters of motherboard repair and data recovery. We understand that your device is more than just circuits and screens. It's your connection to the world, your work, your memories. That's why we treat every repair with the care and attention it deserves. Imagine dropping your phone, watching the screen shatter, or your laptop suddenly refusing to boot up. These moments of panic are all too familiar in our digital age. But here at Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles, we turn those moments into opportunities. Opportunities to showcase our expertise, our dedication, and our passion for technology. Our team doesn't just fix devices, we solve puzzles, we overcome challenges. We're the detectives of the digital world, uncovering the root of each problem. And we do it all with a smile, because we know how much your devices mean to you. We've seen the relief on a student's face when we recover their lost thesis, the joy of a grandparent when we restore their photos of their grandchildren, and the gratitude of a small business owner when we get their systems back online. These are the moments that drive us, that make us proud to serve Rotorua. We're not just a repair shop, we're a part of this community. We're your neighbors, your friends, your tech support family. So the next time your device lets you down, remember, Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles is here to lift you up. Whether it's a cracked screen or a complex hardware issue, we have the tools and expertise to get you back online. Don't let device downtime hold you back. Visit our store in Rotorua or call us at 07-34777044. Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles. Revive your tech, restore your life.